Hello wonderful people, in this video you are going to learn step by step on how you can add product to cart on Taobao, step by step tutorial. But before we dive deep into tutorial, as you guys know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm a procurement and importation coach. If you want to have a business consultation with me, you can contact me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. So with that being said, so let's dive into tutorial and see how you can add a product to cart on Taobao, step by step tutorial. So let's begin. So on this is my Taobao. What you need to do is that once you are able to source for a product, let's for instance this particular product here, I want to add this product to cart. Okay, what you need to do is to click on the product link. So after you click on the product link, it takes you to this page right here. What you need to do next is to click on here. Then it open up this page. So what you need to do right here is that you can add this product to cart by sizes by different sizes of your choice. So let's for instance, I need this product size L. I need just 2 pieces. So for you to do that, you just have to click on L, which means you need large. Then how many quantity, you have to tap here to add to quantity. So let's say we need 2 of these. So once you click on that, then you have to click on here to add it to cart. Boom, this is already added to cart. Let's say you want to add additional products of this same product of another size. Well, you need to go back to your cart, click on add to cart right here. It open up this way. So let's for instance, I need this in a size 3 large, 3XL. So we have to select on 3XL. Then how many quantity? We need 3 of these. So we have to tap 3. So once you select, then you have to click on here to add a cart. So you can see it has been successfully added to cart, and this simply means that we have about 5 the same design, different size on this particular from this particular seller. So for you to visit your cart, you just have to click on here. So once it take you right here, so you can see right here we have how many. The first one here is 3 quantity of 3XL. Then the second one here we have large at a 2 quantity. So this is how you can add product to cart from a single seller, different sizes product to cart on Taobao, step by step tutorial. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tutorial like this. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.